Hi everyone, as you can see, I have some cutouts with me and they are in different shapes. Some of them are in shape of rectangle, some are in shape of square, some are in shape of circle and some are in shape of semicircle. So we are going to do today's activity using these shapes. If you want, you can take different shapes, and in this activity, we'll use these shapes to make a robot. Let's start the activity. I'll paste these shapes using glue. I have already pasted these shapes. Now we'll divide it into equal parts to represent different fractions. As this circle is not divided into parts, so we can represent it as 1. Here this circle is divided into 2 equal parts. So if we'll take one part out of 2 equal parts, then each part will be represented as half or 1/2. And this part also represents 1/2. This square is divided into 16 equal parts. Out of 16 equal parts, if we take one part, then it represents 1/16. So here in this square, each part represents 1/16. If we'll take two parts, 1/16 and this part is 1/16. In total, it will be 2/16. If we'll take 5 parts, it will be 5/16. In this rectangle, 6 parts are there. And out of 6 parts, if we take one part, then we can represent it as 1/6. Each part represents 1/6. This rectangle is divided into 9 equal parts. Out of 9 equal parts, if we take one part, then it can be represented as 1/9. And here each part represents 1/9. Here this circle is divided into 4 equal parts. And out of 4 equal parts, if we take one part, then it can be represented as 1/4. And this circle is divided into 8 equal parts. And each part represents 1/8. And the next circle is divided into 3 equal parts. Each part represents 1/3. This rectangle is divided into 2 equal parts. And each part represents 1/2. And this rectangle is divided into 4 equal parts. And each part represents 1/4. Here are 2 more rectangles. This left side rectangle is divided into 7 equal parts. And each part represents 1/7. This right side rectangle is divided into 14 equal parts. Out of 14 equal parts, if we'll take one part, then it can be represented as 1/14. I have divided these shapes into equal parts and I have represented different fractions. Similarly, you can make your own fraction robot and you can represent different fractions.